Hello, I am the Huvitz lens edger, HPE 990. Everyone says that ultra-hydrophobic coated lenses are tricky, but honestly, they're no problem for me at all. Curious about how I process it? Let me reveal my perfect processing secret from now on. First, you need to prepare a clean lens. Next, prepare the extra large lip block to be used with the lens. Attach a new leaf tape to the lip block and press it firmly. This ensures that I can hold the lens securely, ready to go. Next, turn on the hydrophobic lens mode and start the processing. This is the most important step of everything I do from here on out, because I can smartly adjust the rotation speed, entry speed, and processing pressure to ensure precise processing. There have been times when the lens slipped here, but don't worry. I hold it firmly without any wobble, ensuring steady processing. Ultra-hydrophobic coated lens, perfectly completed. How's that? If you want to process ultra-hydrophobic coated lenses perfectly, come to me.